Hey, nothing make person not they see for social media again. No, nothing. Osalobame. Deva no be makina. Deva no makina. Which food be this one again? Fine. Everybody knows. Say even if I dey paying you, you know very well. Say this thing a groundnut, fresh groundnut. But my darlings, the way this oyibo woman can't turn this fresh groundnut, to pepper soup groundnut. Now wetin make me no come? I not gonna understand again. No, it's just so difficult for me to comprehend, to fathom. You get it? So how they can't turn this thing to pepper soup? Because me looking at it, this looks like pepper soup groundnut. Yeah. It looks like pepper soup groundnut. Oyibo dey chop. I'm not gonna lie. Oyibo dey chop. Oyibo get food. Just like if you see some Oyibo, they go see. I don't see one Oyibo before when you watch one video, when you watch how they cook Nigeria food. You guys say, Jesus, what the heck is this? What kind of food is this? And what was that food? It was ogbono. You see, it was surprised because of the way the ogbono they draw. You understand? Like the way they draw. And now I am now here to say, Jesus, what the heck is this? Granules with, Maggi inside, thyme and curry for inside. Oh, like seriously? I beg, food day. You see, as this world day, so if you travel to other countries, you go see food. You understand? You go see food we never even see before. You go see them. Food we never even taste before. We never even hear say they exist. You go see them. Every country, all countries have their different. They have their different food. Even as we dey for Nigeria, so this country, Nigeria, you and I know say you get some food where you never taste. Some states dey, you never taste their food. We wait for this country, as this Nigeria dey, so we be ourselves. You get some kind of food when you be Yoruba, you never chef am before. Some Yoruba go say, I cannot eat an Igbo food, I can't eat Edo food, I can't eat Calabar. Calabar go say the same thing, but you need to move out. Test food. I not fit mention food when I don't chop for my life. I not talk outside country. I mean for this country, I don't chop food. Like Irie Vaye, my way by any raw exists. Sure you get it? But anyways, for those of you who be saying I want to try this recipe, it is very easy. Follow the procedures and you're good to go. You need to try things. Now, if you're not reach this video, this level, please, I don't make your shakara. All you can do is just follow me on my social media platforms. Please drop comment, like, share. Go to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Make chapa.